Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Addie, and a new update came out in Bloxburg not too long ago, actually. Why am I saying not too long ago? It was actually a long time ago. It was last night at 11 o'clock for me, and I didn't get to play because I was in bed sleeping. Well, I wasn't necessarily sleeping. I was just on my phone, and I was not getting up to go get on my computer. But I know there is something new in the town. It is actually the next day at 7:30 exactly. Wow. And no face cam because it's in the morning, and yeah. But like I've saw a few videos on this. So yeah. Oh my god, this is so cute. Buy one get one free. Boomer's firework. Wow, wait. So are you Boomer or like who are you? How much is this? It's only $25. I will buy tons. Wow. This is so cute. Those are super. Wow. I did not mean to do that. I don't really want to buy them here. Like, I kind of want to go in build mode and buy them. But I'll buy them here, I guess. I don't know why I want to go in build mode and buy them. That's cool. Yeah. I'm going to go in build mode and buy them. So I can place them. I don't know. It just feels weird for me to get them there. But I love this sparkler. I think there's like some new chairs and stuff, so I'm really excited about that. Sorry, my voice is kind of cracky. Let's get some in here. So we have the normal firework. Okay. Then we have the, oh my gosh, there's a fold-up chair. I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to put two. Fold-up chair. Here's the mini rockets. Ooh, a new speaker. Wow. The huge firework. A event tent. Wow. And a bouncy castle. Wow. Okay, we're gonna buy the bouncy castle at the end. And then there's a few Bloxburg things. That's a wow. I'm actually only going to get one chair. Okay. Oh, I forgot I don't have my E thing on. Okay. Yes. Oh my god, and it's so cute. Like, it's actually cute. You know, we have the speaker. Wow, this is so cool. Okay. It's not really night, which is sad. But let's just watch them in the daytime. Wow, that actually looks so cool. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but I'll turn my sound up. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Oh, wow. This is awesome to be able to have multiple ones since we can't really like go to fireworks shows now. Because every 4th of July we would go to a fireworks show and stuff. I thought there was a table, but no, I guess we can't go because of Corona. I thought there was a new table. I swear there was a new. There it is. That's so nice. I'm just gonna delete these things. And you're gonna get that bouncy castle. I think it actually lets you bounce, which is really nice. So here's the table. Wow, wow. I didn't color, oh my god, yes, let's just light the firework through the bouncy castle. Okay, does it have any sound effects, I wonder? Wow, it actually does. That's actually really nice. Wow, I really like these. Sorry, I'm going off topic. Oh my god, it has one of these little things. Wow. In this area? Wow, I'm gonna delete this stuff now, besides the bouncy castle, because, like, I really like it. Okay. Let's color this, actually. Hehehe. I want to color it. White. Blue. White. Blue? Wow. Or maybe it should be blue. White. Blue. White. I like that better. Actually, sorry, I'm just literally I just keep making up my decision. Oh, no? Okay. That one should be white. There. Sorry, I just didn't like it being blue. So I had to change it to white. But this is actually really cool. Wow. And like, I love that little thingy. That's the thing that blows it up. This is actually like... I think that is all for the update. I don't really know. I don't think there's anything else. Let's just go check out this fireworks shop. I think you can... I know you can only get sparklers from the fireworks shop. So, yeah. Which I wish you could get them in build mode, and I wish you like had to place them on something or something like that. But I guess not. It was like a surprise update because like the 4th of July is in like 2 days, right? I don't know. But we're gonna come here and we're gonna get me a sparkler. I always love sparkler. Did I not get a fountain? I do not think I got a fountain. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go use the fountain. Wow. How did I not get a fountain? Well then, I did not know I did not get a fountain. I love the fountains, like they're one of my favorites. Decorate. No. Where is it? Like, oh. Why am I so stupid? I swear that was not there. Well then. Since it's actually not, let's let this off. Okay, it's actually not that entertaining. I figured instead of that, I figured you could maybe it'll. Oh, well then. I figured maybe it would actually go. It would actually be an actual type of fountain going up instead of just dots, but I guess not. Okay. Well, guys, that is all for this video. Make sure you subscribe, share, comment down below what type of videos you want to see me do. Why do I always mess that up every single time? Let me redo that. Well, guys, that's all for this video. Make sure you subscribe, share, comment down. I cannot talk. Period. Well, guys, that is all for this video. Make sure you subscribe, share, comment down below what type of videos you want to see me do. Bye.